Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about how to start your own YouTube channel and start making money with it. Now you might want to start a tech YouTube channel just like mine, or maybe you want to talk about another topic. That's fine. That's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to show you how to start your own channel and start making money with it. The biggest thing you have to understand about starting a channel is talking about it, thinking about it, fantasizing about it is not going to do anything. What you have to do is do. Take action. So this video is going to be a hands-on video. I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to start a channel in front of you guys. I'm going to show you where to upload videos, qualifications for making money, and where to make money. So let's dive in and get started right away. At the end of this video, you guys could potentially have your YouTube account up and running on your way to making some money. So let's dive in. All right, so like I said, this is going to be a hands-on video. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser. Preferably, you want to have the Chrome browser. Chrome is owned by Google. YouTube is owned by Google. So we want to keep everything nice and compatible. So go to your browser and go to your search and simply search Google Create Account. Okay, search this on your Google search engine, and then it's going to bring up this link. It says create your Google account. To have a YouTube channel, you have to have a Google account, period. So we're going to click on this, all right? And then what you want to do is you want to pick a first name. So I'm going to pick a first name. I'm just going to say Jack Dempsey. I'm just making names up over here. Now, username, you can use your name, you can use anything you want, or you can pick something specific to the channel you're trying to open. So in my case, let's say that I want to make a tech channel. So all I'm going to say is I'm going to say Future of Tech, let's say 2040, okay? An example. And then I'm going to pick a password. So I dumped in a password. I'm going to click on next, all right? And then from here, you can give your phone number. You can give a recovery email address, which I recommend. But otherwise, just continue. I'm just going to pick some dates over here. Let's just say 1980. And then pick your gender and click on next. All right. So simply scroll down here and click agree to everything. These have nothing to do with making money. We can configure these things later. So just click agree. All right. And we should have our Google account set up. It says welcome Jack Dempsey. So once you have your Google account set up, on the top right over here, you have a little icon. You can click on these Google apps and go to YouTube, or you can just type in youtube.com and go straight to YouTube. And then on the top, you'll see by default, I've been signed in with my new account that I've just created. If not, just click on sign in and sign in with the new account that you have just created. Make sure to sign out of your existing account if you already are a Google user. So from here, you want to click on this one. And all you want to do, you can either click on create a channel, or you can click on YouTube Studio. Now, when you click on YouTube Studio, this is where you upload your videos. This is where you see all the statistics of your videos, how many people have watched your videos, who's watching it, how many subscribers you have. So this is your control panel. So when you click this for the first time, if you never had an account before, it's going to prompt you to create a brand new account. And what you can do here is you can use YouTube as your first name, your last name, or you can click on use a business or other name at the bottom here. So I'm going to click on this one. But again, you can still use your own name. That's fine. But I'm going to use a brand name. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say Future of Tech. So now I have a YouTube account with this name. And also I want to make sure that you understand you can come back and you can change this name later if you so desire. So if you pick it now, it's not permanent, it is temporary. You can change it if you want. So let's continue and go to the portion where I want to show you guys how to start making money and upload videos. So I'm going to click create, and that's going to create a YouTube channel named Future of Tech, and it's going to dump me into my actual YouTube studio. When you first come in here, you can click to learn more, or you can just exit out of that. So to take a look over here, you have a dashboard. This is your main screen. You're going to see all your stats here once you start a YouTube channel. For example, it's going to show your current subscribers here, what's been happening on your YouTube account as far as views are concerned in the last 28 days. And then over here, we have our video section. This is most important. So I'm going to be focusing on this one here, and of course on monetization. This is where you make money, all right? So let's go to YouTube videos, under the YouTube Studio, and basically if you want to upload a video, you just click upload a video. That's it. Then you can drag and drop video files into this area, or you can click this again, go to the file or folder that you have a video in. For example, here's a video. I can just upload this video right away. This is a video that I shot with my Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If you have an iPhone, a Samsung phone, any phone, you simply shoot a video, you transfer that to your computer, then you come here to your studio and simply select files and upload files from whatever folder you have that video. So let me quickly just upload a video so you can see the process. So click on upload a video, all right? So it's gonna start the process. Now it wants you to pick a title. So in this case, that was an iPad, so I'm just gonna say iPad demonstration as an example. Now you can see that the video is being processed and uploaded right over here. Over here, just a demonstration of an iPad. Now again, let me go to YouTube real quick. I'm gonna show you something, all right? I want you guys to understand what I'm doing. So let me just click on a random video here. I'm gonna pause it. So basically, here's the title. That's what I'm typing right here. And then over here, we have a description, okay? All videos have a description, and that's what I type right here. So that's exactly what's going on here. And then what you can do is you can upload a custom thumbnail, but when you first start your account, you can't do it. So if you go to the question mark, you have to verify your account to be able to upload custom thumbnails. And again, if you go to youtube.com, these are the custom thumbnails that you're seeing on top of the video. You can upload these yourself if you want to. So you can click on that and you can verify yourself. Not a very hard process. You do have to provide a phone number. If not, you're gonna get auto-generated thumbnails over here. You can pick from those. So anyway, let's go down. You wanna make sure you tell YouTube if your video is for kids or not. You say no, okay? Now you click on more options. You gotta pick a couple tags. I'm just gonna say iPad. Tags are like keywords, okay? iPad demo, iPad Pro. So basically you're just putting keywords here that pertain to your video, all right? So once you're done with that, you click on next. And then you can add these things. I'm gonna skip that for a minute. Click on next, and you can make your video public, unlisted, meaning only somebody that has access to this link can watch it. Public, anybody can see it. Private, nobody can see it except for you. Or you can schedule your video to go online at a given time. So I can schedule this video to go up on May 1st at 12 a.m., okay? But we're just gonna say public. And I'm gonna say at the bottom here, I'm gonna say publish. It says finished processing, video is ready to go. So you have to do this several times to get into the habit of uploading videos to YouTube instead of fantasizing about being a YouTuber. Just grab your phone, record a video, upload. Do the same thing tomorrow, the day after, no problem. And then click publish. So once you publish your video, you have the option to share that on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, or you can share your individual link, which is right here. If I click on it, it's going to go to that video that I just uploaded. Here's the title. Here's the description.
So you have purchased.
So I'm going to pause this. So that's the video I just uploaded, all right? I haven't used any editors, nothing, just my phone to record the video and upload it onto my free Google YouTube account. So I'm going to click out of these. We're back in our studio. Click on close, and when you go to your videos now, you're going to see your video. So you got your video, can go to details. You can edit your video from here. So look, here's the title. I can change it. Description. I can pick any one of these thumbnails. Auto-generated. No problem. I'm going to click on save. We're going to use this thumbnail for this video. I can go to my analytics, which right now is going to say 0. But let's say I get 1 view. It would show right over here. Details. Then I click to go back to the main channel screen. To my main video screen. I can go to dashboard if I want to. That's my first video, and that's the summary of what's going on. Anyway, Now we're going to go to monetization. This is where you start to make money. So you click on it. Now what it's saying here is you're not eligible for monetization. The YouTube Partner Program is not available in your current location. If that's the case, you can't make money. But now I'm in the United States. I know that it's available. So if this is a mistake, please update location. I'm going to click on update location. Look, by default, it says Afghanistan, and that's not where I'm right now. So I'm going to go down and pick United States right over here, okay? And then you can put some channel keywords, tech, iPad, Samsung, whatever. Just a bunch of keywords for your channel. You go down, you click on save. Once you click on save, you can X out of this, come back to this screen. I'm going to refresh it, reload, and now take a look at what happens. Grow with YouTube, and here's the requirements you need to meet before you can make money on YouTube. So first and foremost, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and that's why you want to go to your videos tab and start uploading videos so those videos can start to get you subscribers. You need 1,000 subscribers. The other requirement is this. You only need 4,000 public watch hours. That's 4,000 minutes. So that's a very easy calculation. 4,000 hours means, let's say you upload a video that's 1 hour long. That means 4,000 people have to watch that video in a full year, which I think is very easy to do. So these requirements are nothing to be discouraged about. They're actually very easy to meet. And again, when you upload multiple videos and more people watch them, this is just going to add up very quickly. Meet these requirements, okay? This screen here is going to change. You're going to be able to apply for YouTube Partnership Program. Once you apply and get approved, this screen is going to change and it's going to show you how to make that money. I'm going to show you in a second. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to tap on notify me when I'm eligible, all right? So now we'll send you an email when you're eligible to apply to start making money on YouTube. So as you can see, it doesn't happen overnight. First, you got to build your channel with uploading videos one after the other. Then once you're eligible, you'll get a notification. And once you get that notification, you're going to apply. And once you're approved, you're going to start making money. What's going to happen is when you go to YouTube, your videos under YouTube Studio, it says visibility here. There's going to be a brand new tab here that says monetization. Let me go to my channel. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So look, I logged into my own channel here. It looks just like the one on the other side. Let me just go back here. Just like this one right here. But this is a little bit more complex because it's actually been running for a while. It tells me my current subscribers and whatever. But the biggest thing, if I go over here to monetization, you see a different screen where I can actually start making money. I've got all these various options. This is the biggest thing, video advertising. Once your channel is approved for monetization, advertisers can start running ads on your videos, all right? That's how you make money. Now, how do you enable those ads? So this is the status of my account. It says account status enabled, welcome YouTube partner. That's what you're gonna see as well once you're good to go. Now, when I go to my videos tab, I want you guys to take a look at. This is a video I just uploaded, okay? And here I have the monetization option. It is enabled. So my video is actually running ads. Now if I click on edit on the details on the video, or if I just go to monetization, the $sign, that's what you're gonna see once you're approved as well. Right now, you're not seeing those. Let me show you. You're not seeing those, okay? In the channel that we just created. But on my channel, I'm seeing all this stuff. I can go into monetization, and as you can see, I have the option to add ads before the video, during the video, and after the video. It can be overlay ads, sponsored cards. So that's how you make money. You have to enable monetization. After you meet the requirements, you become a YouTube partner, and you're gonna see this screen. And then you can go back to your channel and do the same thing when you're ready to go. But unfortunately, like I said, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to start uploading and pumping those videos out and upload them. You can come here, upload video, even do live interaction with your subscribers. Look at that. I already got one view on this iPad demonstration. There's one view, as you can see. If I go to my analytics by clicking on this one, again, I got one view. That's probably me a couple minutes ago, but that's how it updates as more people watch it, okay? But again, this is the studio, video upload screen, monetization. That's the most important part to focus on if you want to start your channel and start making money on YouTube. I can also click this link here to view my channel on YouTube. You click on it, all right? I'm going to show you one more that's important. Now that's how your channel is going to look like to other people. So here I can customize my channel. Customizing the channel means I can come here and I can actually edit the channel icon. I can put I can upload a photo. Let me just go to my desktop. Just as an example, I got this logo here. I'm going to upload that. So I click on done. Now that's going to be my new channel logo. You're going to see it right here. See? I can also click on this and change the background and change the name of my channel here in the future. But if I go back here, I can add a channel art. Okay, so I can again upload something from my computer. Let me just do the same thing. Let's see what it looks like. That's too small. So they're going to tell you what size you need. But you can change the background and also your icon here. And then what's going to happen is, let me just go to my channel, SAKITECH. So when I go over here, I go to, that's it. That's my background art, and that's my actual icon. So the same thing's going to happen to your channel once you update these features. Okay, let me X out of these. And that's this video. That's it for this video. A lot of people don't understand that they have to start uploading videos and put in the work, build a channel up, and then apply for the partnership program with YouTube to start making money and monetizing your videos. You'll go to videos, you're going to monetize them right from here. Option is not going to show up here until you are approved. Okay, guys? Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Like I said, drop those comments down below and let me know. All right.